Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy! You look bored. You're like, What are you doing? We're about to get rid of this because she just doesn't care about it anymore. Olivia. Olivia's so big. Yes, I know. Yeah. It's exhausting, huh? Now that you can crawl around, you're like, don't think so. Snow out there. You're tired. Yeah. Stop making me bow. Okay.